Bono director ndeto chakira ase chisemi che county ya Kisii na kioro che meroberi ya bekiru ne bekire buya yogosira chisemi se county ya Kisii
tigante wegali tangani we are done with 844 system
kabisa
ono toirane to the CBC system kwanza next year ndo wadhiendo igoro kwa 844 system tuavere toko engage with the people were concerned in Amasomo in Kisii town concerning the CBC one of my get focused on the CBC so as per the county one board so say county
as a county ya Kisii
deal with the county
ya Kisii
kwanza
kura tika Skyline mbona tole general
county
county ya Kisii
I think tuavere toko tuara what we call seminars concerning the CBC systems unanje tuavere toko tuma balimu asama somo CBC tuavere also talk about updated I think we have in the WhatsApp on the concerning on the same so generally ngentona kwane concerning the amasomo centrally prepared gendo I can say we are prepared because at least ngoba tole notified kende yonse yake goja like those seminars ya CBC at least I think na this all day of although they have not communicated on the same but I'm very sure lazima bakwane this whole day ndo bwa those seminars ya bali ngosome go bale at least ngo batora updated as the school you are supposed to comply APCD tigande at least we are ready
because serikali ni negenda to kolemero biro
kosine bigetemero the challenges that John including ya bible bandombara understand on the same but kende yonse yake nyoma ete ngo twara challenges for the start but I feel to is ko ya time I think we are ready.
Okay, asesemo ye serikali una nabo ya watangani serikali yero ye county ya Kisii ase wizara ye chisemi ina kiego ne sirete chiskuru chonsi torati kabona ase skuru yao achisemi nchisi rirebo ikiranu ase skuru ase county ya Kisii
communication is the key communication is
the key
so nabango tebabona ase county ya Busongo including directors we have the platform for the directors we have the platform of the head teachers there is what we call consistency in terms of communicating again. So I can be able to say despite which is few challenges chitanya ko boromora lijira jandozi but then they have now at least if I want to put some percentage we are some 8% there. Lakini at least they start support because sometimes consultations you can go to those offices personally personally sometimes those people know of course those few challenges 20% can be sorted come next year. Okay.